Most common mistake that people make when they install a distributor with the module in the trucks like that. They use the original coil, which requires a resistor, because your factory system has got the module, external module and the resistor. This distributor, two-wire distributor, it only requires two-wire connection, which is super easy, but it requires a different coil. I used this one. It's actually working good for right now, and you need to run a solid positive to the coil. The way I did it on this truck, fuse 20 amps goes to switch, from switch goes to distributor, because this truck is in the process of getting rebuilt, but for right now that's how it's gonna be. If you want to make it, if you want to use your ignition, you have to put a relay for the power and just signal to the ignition. That's how it is. It's not gonna work from the factory positives that are there. Just not enough current. It needs a solid power. Well, I didn't even adjust anything on this truck. I just got it running, but I'm gonna mess with it later. It needs lots of things, but it runs.